In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Studio how to add a display capture / monitor / screen called OBS Studio tutorial. If you want to record or stream exactly what's on your screen, your desktop, browser, slides, or anything else, display capture is the fastest way to do it in OBS Studio. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each option means, and share a few tips so your screen looks crisp and fills the canvas perfectly. First, open OBS Studio. When it launches, you'll see the main preview in the center with panels along the bottom. The two to notice are scenes on the left and sources right next to it. Scenes are like containers, and sources are the things inside the scene: your screen, your camera, images, and more. In the sources dock, click the plus button and choose display capture. There are lots of source types in OBS, but display capture is the one that grabs your entire monitor. If you're ever unsure, remember, display capture records everything on a screen, while window capture locks to a single app. OBS will now ask for a name. Give this source a clear, unique name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to add more screens. A descriptive name keeps things tidy when your scene grows. Next, the Properties window appears. Use the dropdown to select which monitor you want to capture. If you have more than one display connected, you'll see them listed here. Pick the exact screen you want to show. Don't be surprised if you see a repeating Hall of Mirrors effect in the preview. That's normal when you capture OBS while OBS is open. Below that, you'll see an option called Capture Cursor. Check this if you want your mouse pointer to be visible in the recording. This is helpful for tutorials and walkthroughs. Uncheck it if you prefer a cleaner look without the cursor distracting viewers. Click OK to confirm your choices and add the display to your scene. You'll see your monitor appear in the preview with a red outline. That outline shows the selected source and helps you see if it fits the canvas. If your screen doesn't fit, maybe it's zoomed in, cropped, or smaller than the canvas, right-click the display source in the preview or in the sources list, choose Transform, then Fit to Screen. This snaps the capture to the canvas size and centers it. If you notice black bars, that usually means your monitor's aspect ratio doesn't match the canvas, and Fit to Screen ensures the best alignment. That's it. You've added a display capture, chosen the right monitor, set the cursor preference, and made it fit perfectly. You're ready to showcase your screen with confidence.